Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw 1xbet bonus amount. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you're going to go to your menu, then you're going to go to 1x Games. Once in 1x Games, you're going to choose any kind of game you want to play with your bonus amounts. You can, for example, choose Lucky Wheel. If you go to all and you go to the search bar and click, then write down Lucky Wheel. If you write Lucky Wheel, you're going to see Lucky Slot, Lucky Night, etc. You can write Wheel, and you see here you have Money Wheel, Jackpot Wheel. You can play this type of games, and what will happen is that the money contained in your electronic purse will increase. And once that is done, you can withdraw the money conveniently the way you like. And that was all for this video.